Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can link a CAD file in Revit. So let's start. For that one, we have to go for Insert tab. Right here, we are having a couple of options to link or import a file. Now, we are linking a CAD file, right? So we'll go for Link CAD option. Now, right here, we'll select a CAD file that I want to link inside the Revit. So I'll select this CAD file. I'll click on open, then it is right now linked. If you'll see in the properties, it is the same file. Now, I want to move this file from right here. I can move that one. So for that one, I'll select the CAD file, unpin this one at the first place, and I can move like this. Thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.